Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you the code which I have written in the Arduino IDE on how a Morse code would work. So first I've declared three variables, red pin, green pin and blue pin, which means that the red LED, green LED and the blue LED is connected to the 8th, 9th and 10th slot on the Arduino board. And then I have declared three other variables, beep, boom and long W, which I have used later in the code to give delays. Here in the void setup, we have red pin output, green pin output and blue pin output, which basically means that the red LED, green LED and blue LED would be displaying outputs. So in the void loop, basically in the void loop, we write the code which has to be iterated. So I have written here red pin high, and then I've given a delay of 100 milliseconds. Which means that the red pin would be in high state for 100 milliseconds, and then it would be in low state, that is off state, for 100 milliseconds, and this would again go on for 3 times. And then we have the green pin, that is the green LED. It would be in high state for 500 milliseconds, that is in on state, and then it would be in off state, that is low state, for 500 milliseconds, and this would go on for 3 times. And then we have the blue LED, that is the blue pin, which would be in high state for 100 milliseconds and then in low state for 100 milliseconds, and this would again go on for 3 times. So once this entire code under void loop has been executed, there is a delay of 1000 milliseconds. So after the delay of 1000 milliseconds, this code will again be executed, and this would go on for an infinite number of times. So this is the final result after compiling the sketch and uploading it on the board. So as you can see, first we have the red LED, then we have the green one, and then the blue one. So the first LED, that is the red one, it is in high state for 100 milliseconds and then in off state or low state for 100 milliseconds, and we can see that this process repeats for 3 times. And then we have the green LED, which is in high state or on state for 500 milliseconds, then in off state or low state for 500 milliseconds, and again the process repeats for 3 times. And the same goes for the blue LED. So after the entire process has been executed, there is a delay of 1000 milliseconds, that is no LEDs blink for 1000 milliseconds, and after the 1000 milliseconds, again the entire code that I had shown before is executed. Thank you.